So, what's your opinion about?
This is yummy leaf. Tastes like lemon, like minty lemon. Very nice.
We call it very strong flavor. Aduh, apa kita lupa. I forget the name. So we have a vanilla. I forget this name, but it's also very delicious. My mom always cook in the soup. We put everything in the soup, and that's the rica, spicy. So very strong flavor. Like, good for vegan.
Yes. Good
Okay.
for vegan food.
Recommended for vegan food.
Yeah.
That one, I forget the name.
Yeah.
Not a good guide. This is jambu. Pineapple over there. Jambu, rare one because this is white. Jambu. And my fam. So this is all the walacea. Pampilio blume, the butterfly. With the, you can have it here. Wallace very favorite. Pampilio blume. And then that's one. Jungle orchid too. And then this is very white orchid, very different, unique orchid. So in the 1859, when Wallace came here, insect.
Somebody is on me.
You see all of this. This is the walacea nature of minahasa. Yep.